We are regularly being faced with the unrelenting barrage of climate and natural events. Devastating floods wreak havoc on the streets of New York City. Fatal wildfires engulf the landscapes of Hawaii. Intense storms and hurricanes pummel the shores of Florida. Blistering heat waves grip the deserts of Arizona. And poisonous waste contamination suffocates major cities across the globe. Our city officials stand resolute amidst the chaos and turmoil, faced with the mandate to safeguard every resident's well-being and to build a safer, more sustainable environment for all of us. Given the daunting challenge confronting city officials, Cloudsyte has developed tools to assist. Cloudsyte is a climate and natural disaster risk management solution built to address the needs of cities and counties. Simply put, the best adaptation and resilience platform for public governance. It's the indispensable tool that empowers city officials to anticipate threats, fortify their defenses, and take decisive action for the protection of their citizens. Have you done a local climate change vulnerability assessment? Cloudsyte will integrate that report into the platform so you have all the important information in the same place. The system provides structure for the implementation of your sustainability or climate action plan. Do you already have your action plan report? Don't worry, our team will import it into Cloudsyte. We provide you with all the tools and support required to enable your team to design, build, and implement your Climate Action Plan, CAP. Here, you can see action plan projects already added. Under Projects, you can add tasks and subtasks, monitor progress in real time, prioritize projects, and collaborate with team members. Our comprehensive dashboard shows you snapshot information from carbon emissions accounting, green procurement assessment, and vulnerability assessments. The system also sends alerts to your team members, reminding them when to update your data. You will have all the information needed to showcase progress to residents and other stakeholders. Lastly, you have the flexibility to customize the platform to suit your preferences. You can even enable dark mode if that's your style. We believe in helping you accomplish your tasks efficiently and enjoyably. To summarize, with just a few clicks, you can generate up-to-date reports, including your executive dashboard, environmental impact, project cost, and return on investment, ROI. And soon, you'll be able to get your Climate Action Plan implementation certified by a major governing body. We make your onboarding process extremely smooth. Our team will import all your historical reports into Cloudsyte, and in a few hours, you'll be able to take off from where you left off. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us in building smarter and safer cities of the future. Schedule a demo today on our website.